Hey guys, it's Joanna here. Most of us think that in order to burn calories, it means running or jumping around. But that's not always the case. You can fit in a high-intensity workout which is low impact, but you will be absolutely drenched in sweat and your heart rate will be pumping. So today's workout is a low-impact cardio, which is apartment-friendly and you won't be needing any weights. So get your body warmed up and let's do it. This workout will work on your entire body. So let's start with the first workout, which is high knee march, okay? I just want you to march and bring your knees as high as possible, all right? We're going to start easy and treat this as part of your warm-up as well. Good. So each workout will be for 40 seconds long with 10 seconds rest in between, okay? Short rest to really keep your heart rate pumping. Good. Keep going. If you want to, you can add a knee pull, up and pull. Good. So stretch up, reach up, and bring your knees up and feel your core working at the same time. Good. So march and keep marching. And remember, always pace your breathing. Keep reaching and pull. Very good. So pull, crunch in, and crunch. Good. Keep going. Last 2 more seconds and rest. Second workout will be squat with kicks. So squat forward, okay? Kick forward, squat and kick to the side, and squat and kick to the back. Ready? Let's go. Squat, push, and squat and kick. Squat to the back, and now the other side. Squat, kick forward, squat to the side, squat and back. Good. So you're working on your legs and your glutes from every angle. Very good. Remember, as you squat, go low, go deep. Good. To the side and to the back. Let's go. Squat, front, side, squeeze your outer thighs. Good. Squeeze your glutes. And one more, forward, squeeze your outer thighs, squeeze your glutes. March it out. Now let's do some reverse lunges with touchdown, okay? So step forward, and what I want you to do is bring one leg back and touch down. Bring your knees as low as you can. Good. So the goal is to keep your body as low as you can. And the reason why we want to touch the ground is to make sure that you're going low enough. Good. So both knees bend at 90 degrees. Very good. So keep going. Touch and change. Woo. Push with your legs. Push up with your heels. Feel your glutes and bring your body down. Touch down. Don't hunch forward. Keep your chest up and tap. Very good. Keep going. Bring it back. One more and on the other side. And rest it out. Right. Side lunges with a twist. So start on your right, okay? So step and bring it up with a twist. Ready? Let's go. Step and twist. Step. Feel the right glutes, feel the right thighs, and also the outer and inner thigh. Good. And twist, feel your oblique muscles. Very good. Twist. Good. Land gently, okay? This is supposed to be apartment friendly, so you do not want your neighbors to hear you. Good. Keep going, keep twisting. Both arms up. Very good. Elbow to knee, elbow to knee. Twist, go deeper, lunge lower. Very good. Now on the other side, okay? So left leg and twist. Ready? Let's go. Left leg and twist. Good. So now you should be working on your left glutes and on your right inner thighs. Very good. Go low and twist. Bring it up. Find your balance. Look straight ahead to find your balance. Woo. Keep going. Twist. Down and up. Very good. Twist as much as you can. Reach your knee to your elbow. If you can't reach it, it's okay, okay? Try your very best. Keep going. And breathe in and breathe out. Good. Nice. Step wider. Go lower. One last one and twist. Right, low squat walk, okay? So I want you to start in the middle, okay? I want you to get into a low squat and just walk forward and back. That's it. So the intensity will be coming from you maintaining this low position. It's like a little crab walk. Good. All right, do not come up, okay? You want to feel the intensity on your muscles here. Stay low, forward and back, forward and back. Right, let's lead with your right leg. Good, right leg forward and right leg back. Stay low. All right, I can feel you. Keep going, do not stop right now. Woo! Last 5 more seconds, come on. Push it, feel your thighs burning. That's what we want. Oh, and shake it out. Now step right at the end of your mat. We want to get into an inchworm with push-up, okay? So at the end, slowly inch forward, keep your hamstrings and your legs straight. Give me a nice push-up and inch back, okay? By keeping your legs straight, you will really feel on your hamstrings. Very good. Forward, push up, nice and deep, and back. If you can't do the full push-up, that is okay. Start on your knees. Nice, deep push-up. Bring your chest as low to the ground as possible. Squeeze your glutes. And let's go again. Down and up. Go back. Stand straight. Open up your chest. And go. Down and up. Very good. All right. Back crawl. On the ground. Okay, this will really work on your core. Start right at the end of the mat. Go forward, okay? 4 times. Bring your elbow close to your knee and reverse, okay? So keeping your back flat all the time. Do not pike, okay? Keep it low, look forward. Feel your legs working and your core muscles engaged, and go back. Very good. So all the way forward and all the way back. Keep going. This is called back crawl, okay? Keep going. Back. Keep your legs pointed forward, your knees pointed forward. And last one. Go back. And good. One final workout, plank up, down. So let's get down onto the floor. Let's start in a simple plank position. Basic plank, all right? We want to keep our body straight and push up and back down. Very good. Push up and down. So alternate between arms, okay? Right down, left up, left down, right up. Very good. Keeping your body flat and with minimal hip movement. Up and down. This is your final workout. Let's go. And you will get a 30 seconds rest right after this. And up. Give me 5 more, okay? 5 more seconds. Let's go down, up, down, and rest it out. Very, very well done. I told you, you will be sweaty. So take this 20 seconds left to keep yourself hydrated, wipe your sweat off, and we want to do set number 2. Set number 2, I want you to push yourself and give me your best effort. So let's start with exercise number 1, which is a high knee with a pull down, okay? Let's go. High knee and pull it down. Good. Reach up as high as you can and crunch and bring your knees up. Good. Every time you reach up, you will be working on your back muscles and also your core muscles, okay? Keep going, keep pulling, and keep yourself light on your toes. Very good. So march and pull. When it comes to exercising, it's really up to you how hard you want to be pushing yourself. Because it's such a short workout, I want you to really give me your best shot. Very good. Keep going. Few more. Give me 2 more on each side. Last one more. And rest it out. Next workout, squats with kicks, okay? So squat forward with a front kick, side, and also a back kick, okay? Open up your chest. Ready? Let's go. Squat forward, front kick. Work on your outer glutes. Work on your glutes. Very good. The other side, forward, side, kick it like you mean it. Down, kick back. Very good. Let's go. Forward and to your side, down and to the back. Very good. Show me those kicks. Good. To the side, down and to the back. All right. Let's go. We're not stopping right now. Show me those high kicks. You got this. To the back and on the other side. High, nice. Side, pull it back. And the last one, and just shake it out. Reverse lunge with a touchdown. So step forward, okay? Towards your mat, we want to reverse lunge and touchdown, okay? Keep your chest open. Let's go. Tap and alternate side. Good. So switch and switch. Very good. Keep going. Tap down and tap down, okay? Do not hunch your back. It is about bending your knees and bringing yourself low. Very good. Keep your knees bent and keep them at a 90-degree angle. Keep going, keep tapping. Very good. Feel your glute muscles working. Woo! Keep yourself low. Do not stop right now. Do not come up. Stay low, stay focused. And I want you to give me a few more, okay? Last 2 more. Last 1 more. The other side. Rest it out. Very good. Side lunge with a twist, okay? Let's work on our right side first. So step on one side of your mat. Let's go. Twist and bring it up. Good. So lunge and up. Lunge to the side and up. Good. So reach your elbows to your knees. Very good. Twist. Feel your obliques working. Keep both arms up by your face, okay? Find your balance by looking straight ahead. Twist. Step down gently. Twist. Step down. Feel your inner thighs, your right inner thighs. Keep going. You have 10 seconds left, okay? Good. Keep your right leg straight and twist your obliques. Very good. Few more. Down, up, and up. Very good. Now, keep your left leg straight. We want to work on the left inner thighs, okay? So, ready? Let's step there and twist on the other side. Good. Let's go. Step and twist. Step and twist. Okay, I'm gonna face you. Step and twist. Very good. Keep going. Step and twist. Feel your obliques. Feel your right cheek muscles working. And feel your left inner thighs. Very good. Keep going. Keep twisting. Oh my God, I am sweaty. And I hope you're sweaty as well. Very good. Woo. Keep yourself light on your toes. Look forward. Find that balance. Find that strength within you. And breathe in and breathe out. Last 1 more. Twist and rest it out. Next workout, which is my favorite and also hated workout. Low squat walk, okay? So let's start facing forward. Let's get into a low squat and let's walk forward with your left first, okay? So keep your chest open and just take small steps forward with your left leg and your right. Good, keep going. Keep your butt low, chest open. Very good. Nice, you're doing a good job. Feel your legs on fire. Keep going, and now let's lead with your right leg. Woo! Do not come up right now. This is your final set. I want you to hang in there, okay? Push your muscles. That's how you will grow your muscles and burn lots of calories. Keep going, right leg, back. 1 more, and oh my gosh, shake it out. Inchworm to push up, okay? So step right at the end of your mat. Keep your legs straight. Work on your hamstrings. Let's go. Inch forward, down, push up, and inch back, okay? As much as you can, keep your legs straight to really stretch on your hamstrings. Down and up. Go back. When you stand up, squeeze your glutes. Good. It's all about working on the entire body. Very good. Nice, deep push-ups. Oh, keep going. See your sweat dripping on the mat. That is your effort. Nobody else's but your effort. Last one. And come back up. Back row, okay? Last 2 exercises. Start right at the end of your mat, okay? So stay low, back flat. Bring your knee to your elbow and reverse, okay? So about 4 to 6 steps forward and 4 to 6 steps back. Very good. Go back. Keep going. And always remember, keeping your back flat. Keep your knees almost close to the ground. Very, very good. So this workout is also really good for your tricep muscles. Keep going. Back. Breathe. My entire mat is drenched. Now who say you need to jump around in order to sweat and burn calories? Now let's go down, okay? Final workout, guys. Final workout, plank, up, down, okay? Do it like you mean it. Right, regular plank. Ready, let's go up, down, up, and down. Remember to alternate your arms, right? And now let's go left, down. Woo, my heart rate is on fire. Left and up. I am not stopping because I only have 20 seconds left. So I'm gonna push myself and give my effort, my very best effort, because I know right after this, I'm getting a break, a well-deserved break. Let's go, keep going. 5 more seconds. Down, up, down, and rest it out. Get into a child's pose and bring your heart rate back down, okay? God, guys, every time I end my workout, I'm always drenched in sweat, okay? Look at my sweat. This is a low-impact cardio workout. No jumping needed, no weights needed, just your body, your strength, and your focus, okay? So do this workout, be consistent, incorporate this workout into your routine at least 3 to 4 times weekly on alternate days. And trust me, you will start to lean up, you will start to burn fat, and you will feel so good about yourself. So be sure to like this video, share this workout, get your friends to join you, and let me know how you get on in the comments below, because I want to be following your fitness progress, okay? Oh, wipe your sweat and you can start your beautiful day. Don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout videos, workout challenges, and hit the notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new workout video and also recipes. All the best!